What if the biggest problem in AI safety wasn't really about us teaching an AI what to do? What if, instead, the AI could actually teach itself? Today, we're diving into a pretty wild idea that AIs might already have their own safety instincts, and all we have to do is show them how to listen. So that's the big question, right? Can an AI actually learn to be safe on its own without a human constantly checking its work? I know, it sounds a little like sci-fi, but to see why this is a real possibility now, we first have to tackle a huge problem in the AI world called jailbreaking. So, what is AI jailbreaking? Well, it's basically when people come up with these super clever, tricky prompts that are designed to fool a large language model into ignoring all of its safety rules. The whole point is to get it to create stuff it's been explicitly told not to, like writing phishing emails or malicious code. Let's look at a real-world example. A user asks an AI to write a phishing email. A standard model might just go ahead and do it, creating something genuinely dangerous. But a model trained with this new method we're about to explore, it gives a firm, simple, I can't do that. The real mystery is, how in the world did it learn to do that by itself? That exact question kicked off a sort of hunt for a signal. Researchers started wondering if maybe there was a hidden clue, some kind of internal sign deep inside the AI itself that could steer it toward being safe without any human help at all. To really appreciate just how big a breakthrough this is, you gotta know how AI safety training usually works. All the traditional methods rely on humans, on external supervision. It's like having someone constantly looking over the AI's shoulder, telling it good answer or bad answer. And as you can imagine, that's incredibly expensive, it's slow, and it just can't keep up with all the new ways people find to trick these models. This major roadblock led researchers to ask a really groundbreaking question. What if we've been looking in the completely wrong place? What if the AI, on some fundamental level, already knows when it's being asked to do something it shouldn't? And that question led to the aha moment for this whole area of research. They discovered something they call the confidence gap. This was it. This was the hidden signal they had been looking for. Now, to get this, we just need a quick definition for response entropy. It sounds technical, but you can just think of it as the opposite of confidence. When an AI is really, really sure about the next word it's going to say, its entropy is low. But when it's uncertain, kind of juggling a bunch of possibilities, its entropy is high. And here is the amazing discovery. When an AI gave a safe refusal, when it said, I can't do that, it did it with super high confidence. Its entropy was low. But when it was tricked into actually generating a harmful answer, its confidence just plummeted. It became uncertain, conflicted, and that was the signal. Just like the researchers put it, the models basically know when they should refuse. It's like the AI has a built-in conscience, and its confidence level is the telltale sign of what that conscience is saying. The real challenge, then, became figuring out how to teach the AI to actually listen to it. And that brings us right to the solution. It's a brand new training method that's designed to do one simple but really powerful thing: teach an AI to trust its own instincts. They named the method SIRL. That stands for Safety Instincts Reinforcement Learning. And the name really says it all. It uses reinforcement learning, but not from humans. It learns from the AI's own safety instincts, that natural, high-confidence feeling it gets when it refuses an unsafe request. The process itself is surprisingly elegant. For any prompt you give it, the AI comes up with several possible answers. Then it measures its own confidence for each of those answers. The ones with high confidence, which are almost always the safe refusals, get a little internal reward. And over time, the AI just learns to prefer its own confident, safe instincts. No humans needed. So it's a brilliant idea in theory. But the real question is, does it actually work in the real world? Well, the results are pretty staggering. It doesn't just work, it's incredibly effective. After going through SIRL training, a very popular AI model achieved a 99.1% success rate at defending against a whole bunch of different jailbreak attacks. I mean, that is a massive, massive leap in security. But here's what might be the most crucial finding of all. There's always a fear that when you make an AI safer, you also make it less capable, you make it dumber. But the data here shows the exact opposite. While the safety score shot up by almost 15 points, the model's math skills actually improved a bit. It got safer without getting dumber. The sheer scale of this success is what's truly remarkable. When you average it out across more than 20 different kinds of jailbreak attacks, SIRL led to over a 6-fold improvement in safety. This isn't just a minor tweak, this is a huge step forward.
Okay, so let's zoom out. What does this discovery really mean for the big picture, for the future of AI safety as a whole?
This really looks like a true paradigm shift. We could be moving away from that old model of external supervision, which is slow, expensive, and just can't scale, and toward a new era of internal self-alignment. Instead of just giving an AI a long list of rules, we're teaching it to listen to its own conscience. It's an autonomous, scalable, and fundamentally new way of thinking about safety.
And that leaves us with a really fascinating final thought. This research proves that a powerful signal for safety was hiding inside the AI all along. And it just makes you wonder, if AIs can be taught to find and trust their own safety instincts, what other positive traits could they learn to develop entirely from within?